Welcome to my course where I teach you how to draw in bite-sized lessons. This is lesson number 6. If you missed the rest of the classes, you can go up over here. I'll leave a link for you and you can go and follow the course from the beginning. Up to this point, we've taken a look at what equipment we need for pencil drawing. Now we need to start doing some actual drawing. So the idea is to draw a tonal chart, but before we can do that, we need to test our pencils. Because pencils aren't made equal. You'll find that the different manufacturers have different recipes to create the same type of pencil. They'll use different grades of graphite or different types of graphite from different places. They'll use different types of clay from different places. And then they'll mix them in different ratios. So if you're buying an HB pencil from one manufacturer, it's not an HB pencil from the different manufacturer. They're all different. So now we're going to test those different types of pencils. So what I've done is I've set up a pencil testing chart. I'll leave a link over here as well. You can go and download that. And by using the pencil testing chart, you're going to find yourself your favorite pencils. So let me show you what the chart looks like. And let's start testing. So your pencil testing sheet looks like this. So here at the top, I've sort of filled in what each thing means. So the reason for doing a pencil testing sheet is, let's take this pencil over here. If you take a 2B pencil from one manufacturer and draw with it, and then you take a 2B pencil with another manufacturer, you'll find that they're different. You'll get different tonal values sometimes. And then often with the same manufacturer, you'll find that you can take, say, a 2B and maybe a B pencil. And when you draw with them, you'll get the same tonal values. Even though you're expecting to get a darker tonal value from this guy and a lighter tonal value from this guy. Sometimes the recipes that they've used are so similar that it's pointless even swapping to that pencil. So those are the kind of things that we need to test now, so that in the end of the day, you get 3 pencils that give you the full range of tonal values that we're going to draw with. So in each of these blocks, 2 blocks per pencil. Here you press soft, here you press hard. So for example, let's do this guy over here. My hard pencil is, I'm going to say, a 4H. Then a medium pencil, I'll take, say, an HB, because he's supposed to be a nice middle of the road. Then a soft pencil, I'm going to take the 6B. Okay, so let's start off with a 4H. So in this block, I'm going to press as soft as I can. So I am working with the chisel point pencils. Let's bring him in, he's bigger, you can see. I'm using the chisel point pencils because the chisel point is for shading and the fine round point is for detail work. So all these pencils we're using now are chisel point. So in this block, I'm going to press as soft as what I can. And I'm going to gently fill him up using gradual overlapping strokes. And I'm pressing as light as I can. So for your lightest pencil in the soft block, what you're looking for is just off-white. So you've got to test which of your H pencils is going to give you that best just off-white tonal values. Like that one there, I'm actually very happy with that. Okay, then in the hard block, now you're going to press hard, but don't press so hard that you hurt the tooth of the paper. Just a nice firm pressure. What you're looking for is a nice even tonal value across the entire block. And you'll find you'll get to a point where no matter how hard you press, that's the tonal value you're going to get out of that pencil. So getting it at that, just a nice firm pressure is ideal so that you're not hurting the paper. Alright, so now I've gone over to an HB and I'm going to do the same process in these 2 blocks. So I'm starting off pressing really soft, as light as I can. And depending on the softness of the pencil, it's going to give you a certain tonal value. Alrighty, let's press hard. And let's do the next block. And after we finish these next two blocks, then this whole process is going to make more sense. So I'm pressing really soft. And I'm going to press hard. Awesome. So in an ideal world, what you'd get is this. The hard from the one pencil should be the same tonal value as the soft from your next pencil. The hard from the one should be the same or roughly the same as the soft from your next pencil. So that you can go from this pencil gradually increasing your pressure until you see, okay, I'm getting no more tonal value. That's your cue to swap pencils. Now you're using your HB, for example, and gradually increasing the pressure until you can see you're getting no more tonal value out of it, or until you feel you're at that firm pressure. Then you go over to your next pencil, and what you've got is a nice gradual tonal value change. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm just going to fill up the next one just so that you can see the difference. Start with the 4H, and let's maybe use a B over here and again the 6B over there. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in those two blocks, and then we'll do the B over here. Awesome. Let's use the B pencil over here. Pressing super soft. Pressing hard. Alrighty, so can you see you haven't got that continuity anymore. This guy is going darker than what he needs to. So in other words, in this case, my 4H, HB and the 6B are the best pencils to use, because that's giving me 1, 2, 3, that 4 steps. Here I've got 1 more or less, 2 not so much. So you can go ahead, test as many pencil combinations as you want. I've given you quite a few blocks over there. What you're looking for is light, light midtone, darker midtone, dark. So once you've found your best 3 pencils, then go ahead. Over here is the link to the tonal chart lesson. You can go and follow that over there. So if you did enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell notification icon, and then of course I have left a link to my website for lots more pencil drawing lessons like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next class.